Well, hey there, it's John, and I'm in the main exhibit hall at the Hands-On Discovery Center, and I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite exhibits. It's called the rocket car, or the air car. Here on this side, we have our car garage, where you construct your race car out of pieces of wood and add your wheels. You have different types of vehicles that you can put together. Here, I have a very aerodynamic, streamlined race car, and next to it, I have a school bus. It's a lot taller, it's a lot heavier, probably not as streamlined, so that might affect how well they perform when we take them to the other side of the rocket car and race them. You want to check it out? Let's go!
Andy, bring the cars!
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines! So as you can see, our very streamlined aerodynamic race car was able to slice through the air a lot more easily than our big bulky school bus was. It didn't go as far and definitely did not go as fast as our race car, even though they had the same amount of initial force in that push of air. But even if you guys don't have a giant rocket car racetrack in your home, I bet you can make a pretty cool race car on your own. Meet me in the lab and I'll show you what I mean. See ya! Well, hey there, it's John here, and I'm back in the Eastman Discovery Lab at the Hands-On Discovery Center with another activity that you guys can recreate at home, because this very weekend, NASCAR is returning to the Bristol Motor Speedway, right up the road in Bristol, Tennessee. What we are going to make is this really cool rubber band racer that you can actually wind up, and it races pretty far. All you have to do is take some, well, we have popsicle sticks, we have some bamboo skewers, we have a plastics drinking straw, rubber band, and a whole bunch of hot glue. Because we are putting this together with hot glue, I would definitely recommend enlisting the help of an adult assistant. The first step is we're going to make the body of the race car, or the chassis that supports all the components that you put on it. For that, you're going to take 2 popsicle sticks, and then a little tiny piece that you cut from a larger popsicle stick. And to glue them together, just add 2 little dabs of glue at the end and make kind of a, well, almost a full triangle. We're missing that third side. There we have 2 legs of this triangle. Boop-a-doop. And then just put that popsicle stick piece right there. We are also going to add some segments, short pieces of this drinking straw. This one straw was enough to make 3 entire race cars, so that you don't need a lot. You're going to glue 1 piece on top of that connecting popsicle stick that you just put on. Boop. And then you're going to do 2 smaller ones, even teenier ones, at the end of the popsicle stick triangle. There's 1, 2, whew. And remember, those little strings of hot glue are hot, so you don't want to touch them. You want these 2 segments at the back to be in line, because this is actually going to hold the axles for our tires that we're going to put on. To make them, you're also going to need a whole bunch of these empty bottle caps, and we've actually just drilled a little hole here with a very sharp set of scissors. And to make your tire, you're just going to take 2 of them and glue the edges together. Oop. Again, be very careful. Hot glue is no joke. It is hot. And of course, we're going to make 4 sets of these tires, so we're going to have 8 of these soda bottle caps all together, and perfect. Luckily, in step 2, I have our chassis made already. We have 4 of these tires ready to go. All we have to do is add the last of our axles. We've taken 1 tire and glued it to the end of this bamboo skewer. You're just going to feed this through the drinking straw that we have glued in place, and then feed our 4th tire onto that. Make sure it lines up with our tire there, and perfect. Of course, you're going to glue that and maybe trim off the end of the bamboo skewer, but we're going to add a couple more pieces, and this is going to be the drive shaft that actually propels our car forward. Taking another section of popsicle stick, you're going to glue this. First, we have to flip our car chassis over. This is going to be holding the front end of our rubber band. So place a little dollop of glue here at the front, place this popsicle stick there, and then this piece, it's just a very small section of bamboo skewer, is going to be glued directly onto our back axle. What we're going to do is take a rubber band. After these 2 pieces have set, you're going to stretch it over this popsicle stick and also over the bamboo skewer at the back. That way, when we roll the wheels in the back, it's going to wind up that rubber band around the back axle, creating and storing potential energy. This energy, when you release it, is going to be transformed into kinetic energy, or the energy of motion. And this one, you can actually do it manually. Simply turn the back tires backwards. When you set it down, it's going to unroll and woo! It's going to jump forward a bit. But you can also take another set of rubber bands and place them around the back tires. That way, when you drag it backwards, the friction between the rubber bands on those tires and the table are actually going to do the winding for you. So when you release it, gentlemen, ladies, start your engines. We're off to the races, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video update. Also, check out the description below where we're going to be listing a whole bunch of science standards about motion and energy. Also down in the description, there'll be information on how you guys at home can help support us in keeping the science alive. But I'm going to go find my racer and make it even better. Bye, guys! Vroom, vroom. Oh.